Hey everyone, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be demonstrating our newest feature, trailing stop loss orders. So as of right now, trailing stop losses have pretty much been added to most features of the platform that have the ability to enter in orders. At this time, they are not available in our mouse trading, chart trading mode, so just keep that in mind. At the time of this recording, they are not available, but we will be adding trailing stops, bracket orders, and multi-layer brackets from an entry order on charts fairly soon, so keep that in mind. So where to enter in trailing stop loss orders? Well, there's multiple locations to do so. Like I mentioned, it's pretty much available through any section of the platform that has the ability to enter in an order. So first up, let's open order entry. We'll set up our symbol here, enter in our quantity, choose our account, select buy or sell side. And now there's a couple locations to do it. In our first section, our order type section, you'll find them now available here as an entry order. So if we clicked on trailing stop loss, go ahead and enter in our trailing offset. We can enter in a trailing order with a trailing offset of 10. All you would do is click on place order, and it's as simple as that. You could also do it with any of the other order types as well. Let's say, for example, we wanted to enter in at the market, and for our example here, I'll use that since we'll get filled immediately. We enable our stop loss leg and our take profit leg, and immediately you see we've added a new symbol here. It looks almost like a fishing hook, and if you hover over it, you'll notice it says activate trailing stop loss. So we can click on that, enter in our tick offset, our stop loss, trailing stop loss, tick offset, and then go ahead and enter in our take profit order, place order, and then click on yes. So as you can see, here we have it. And if we hover over our stop loss, you'll see it now says TRS. That stands for trailing stop. So as the market moves, whether it's up or down, I guess it depends on which side you enter in, your trailing order will essentially close in on itself to potentially, mitigate losses. So we'll see it here. We'll leave it on for a second and see whether or not our trailing order will move depending on how the market does. You'll see everything in real time on your chart. And like I mentioned, you can modify trailing orders or really any orders on your chart. Just as of right now, you can't place these multi-layer bracket legs. So of course, it doesn't look like the market is going to do what we want in order to get this trailing stop to move. So let's continue on and show you the rest of the locations throughout the platform that this new order type is available. I'll first flatten this out to get rid of everything, and we'll move on. So next up is our dome. We already have one set up on the side here, but I'm going to open up a standalone dome just so we can focus on this for now. First, of course, select your symbol. We'll do the ES again. And then you want to open up the order entry panel. Now, at the time of this recording, the dome may be a little bit different than what you guys are used to. This feature will be getting updated this weekend. So if you are watching this today, these new features will be available to you at the start of the new trading session next week. If you're looking at this in the future, you should already have this available to you. So first we want to enter in our quantity. We'll do the default of 1. And now we want to select a stop loss or take profit order. So you'll click on stop loss, click enable, and then you'll see we have the new section for activate trailing stops. Go ahead and enable it, enter in your tick offset, and that's pretty much it. If you'd like, you can do your take profit order as well. Just enable it, enable your tick offset, and there you go. Now your next order entry will have your trailing stop loss as a bracket automatically enabled. Now, like usual, you can left click or shift click the buy or sell columns to place either your limit or your stop loss orders. For this example, and like the last example, I'm going to go ahead and place a market order just so we get filled immediately. I'll go ahead, place market, press on yes, and there we have it. And we see this time the market actually moved in a favorable way for our trailing stop, at least to demonstrate the feature. And you should have just saw the trailing stop automatically modifies itself based on the way the market moves to kind of close the gap on your bracket order. You can manipulate your trailing stops and your limits, of course, on your dome as well. Just left click, drag and hold. And as you can see, you can modify your order. Click yes, and you just modify it to the section you want. That's a manual modification, of course. The great benefit about trailing stops is they essentially do so themselves. So if we close it out, there you can see it's already modified itself because of the market moved a particular way. And we saw that on the chart there. The price fluctuated a bit based on the market movement. And of course, we could sit here and let it close on itself and eventually get filled. For time purposes, I'll go ahead and just flatten this out and show you a couple other locations throughout the platform. If you use a market depth instead of the dome, of course, you'll find it here as well. Same thing. Just enable it, enable trailing stops, and you're good to go. And other than that, as of right now, that's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. Just go ahead, enable your trailing stop, set the tick offset amount, and you pretty much got yourself a entry order stop loss or a regular order with the bracket attached. And instead of a regular stop loss, we now have trailing orders. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, please post them in the comment section below, or we encourage you to reach out on our community forum. Thanks a lot, and I hope this helped.